A security guard tried to catch a woman who was about to fall from a building, but something strange happened. He slipped and fell flat on the ground like a crushed paper ball. But by accident, he also turned on a special charity system. This system brought him back to life and gave him money every time he did a good deed. But there was one rule. The system would only work for 24 hours. The man picked up an empty bottle and threw it in the trash can. The next second, $100 went into his bank account. He was shocked. Then he smiled and started picking up all the trash around him. In just a few minutes, his bank account reached $5 million. But he thought, this is too slow? So he gathered all the money and called people, "Come help me do good deeds. You will get money." Nobody believed him. So he did something crazy. He grabbed a handful of money and threw it up into the air. The notes floated everywhere and people ran like crazy to do good deeds. Some helped a truck driver unload boxes. Some cleaned windows with the cleaners. Some swept the roads. Everyone suddenly became kind so they could earn rewards. The man kept giving money to everyone. But even after earning $5 million, he still wasn't the richest man in the world. And he now had only 15 hours left. He started thinking, how can I help thousands of people at the same time? Just then, a charity truck passed by. He stopped it and talked to the driver. The driver said a big earthquake had hit a nearby city and over 300 families needed help. When the man heard this, his eyes lit up. Without waiting, he spent $1 billion and hired thousands of trucks full of supplies for the victims. His bank account jumped to $50 billion. Then he went to the disaster area himself. He helped more than 2 million people and his account reached $5 billion. But he took out all that money too. He decided to build a beautiful home for every family that suffered in the disaster. People were amazed by his kindness. He got a new title, the most beautiful humanitarian in the world.